Okay, welcome to all for the course of mechanical system design. So in previous video we have discussed about the population combination. Now we will solve the numerical based on population combination. Now consider a statement that clearance feet between journal and bush of bearing is 48.6 small e7. The dimension of two components are normally distributed. Let consider design tolerance equal to natural tolerance. So from stability point of view, maximum and minimum clearance equal to 0.08 and 0.06 mm. So determine the probability of percentage of rejected assembly. So let's consider first population, that is bush population, which is equal to 40S6, and journal population equal to 40E7. So these are the tolerance for bush 16.0 and for journal -50 -75. So this is for bush 40S6. So maximum limit for bush is 40 plus 0.016, that is 40.016, and minimum is 40 mm. So mean value for bush is equal to 14.06 plus 40 divided by 2, that is 40.008, and tolerance equal to 40.016 minus 40 divided by 2, that is 0.008. So tolerance equal to, we write down, so tolerance, so we write down for bush, mean value is 40.008 plus or minus tolerance 0.008 mm. Similarly for journal 47, having minimum value 39.950 and maximum value 39.925. This is mean value for journal, that is 39.375, and tolerance equal to 39.950 minus 39.925 divided by 2, that comes 0.0125. So tolerance equal to mean value plus or minus. So for journal we write down mean value 39.375 plus or minus 0.0125. Now given statement in problem given that design tolerance equal to natural tolerance. So design tolerance is how much? So 0.008, that is equal to 3 sigma b for bush, and for journal 0.0125, having natural tolerance 3 sigma for journal. So we calculate standard deviation for bush equal to 0.002667 mm, and for journal equal to 0.004167 mm. Now the mean clearance equal to mean value of bush minus mean value of journal, that comes 0.0705 mm. This is mean value of clearance. Similarly, standard deviation for clearance equal to under square root of standard deviation of bush bracket square plus standard deviation of journal bracket square, that comes 0.004947 mm. Now we find out standard deviation Z1 equal to x1 minus nu c upon sigma c, that is 0.08 minus nu c upon sigma c, it comes plus 1.92. Similarly, Z2 equal to x2 minus nu c upon sigma c, so 0.06 minus nu c upon sigma c, it comes minus 2.12. So now we have to find out area from 0 to Z1, that is 0 to 1.92, and Z0 area from 0 to minus 2.12. So initially we find out area from 0 to 1.92. So we see the chart. So 0 to 1.92. So 1.9 is limit, and this is 2, that is 0.4726. This is 1.9, this is 2. So it comes 0.4726. So 0.4726, this is area. Second limit is what? 0 to 2.12. So we have to find out area under 2.12. This is 2.1 and this is 2. So 0.4830. So 0.4830. So 0.4830. This is the area. So total area is 0.9556. So rejection equal to 1 minus area, this blue area, total area. So 0.9556, 1 minus 0.9556. 1 is total area under core. So rejection equal to 4.44%. So this much 4.44% of assembly will be rejected. So in this way, we solve the numericals based on population combination. Now you solve the second statement, you just note down and solve the numerical on this population combination. So thank you for listening.